third activity where we left is miscibility, in which बच्चों बैकग्राउंड साउंड पे आप बिल्कुल मत जाइएगा अभी क्या हो रहा है, बिकॉज मेरी छोटी सी बेटी भी है, वो मुझे नहीं अभी छोड़ रही बिल्कुल, पूरा दिन हो गया आज ये ऐसी उसमें. So what I have taken on my right, you can see mustard oil. Okay, this is a massage oil, and again massage oil I have taken of different colors, right? And on my left it is honey, food colorant, rose water, vinegar, and this is kevda water, and there is lemon juice also. Okay, so we'll show you miscibility and immiscible, what substances are miscible, are said to be miscible, and what are said to be immiscible. So those substances that dissolve in water, those liquids that dissolve in, so this is a food colorant. Add this 2 to 3 drops of food colorant to it. Yes, this blue in color, and you will see that it has started mixing in water. You know the states that both are in liquid state. Okay, this water and the colorant that I have taken, both are in liquid state. यहाँ जो भी कुछ आपको दिख रहा है, it is in liquid state. So you will see, अगर मैं इसको थोड़ा जल्दी करना चाहूँ तो मैं क्या करूँगी, I will mix it, stir the mixture, solution, और आप देख रहे हैं soluble है ना, तो हम कहेंगे it is miscible in water. This is rose water, right? Adding rose water to it. See, you will not make out कि कहाँ पे rose water है. Quickly mixed. So it is also miscible in water. Now adding honey. Okay. See, it is very viscous. बहुत dense है, तो ये नीचे बैठ गया है, दिख रहा है? Okay. It is stir करना. Till she is mixing, I am adding vinegar, okay, to water, which is also, this vinegar is also colorless, white vinegar, which is also miscible in water. Now show if you will mix it, stir the solution. Now adding lemon juice to water. See, miscible in water. See, lemon juice has disappeared, so it is miscible in water. Similarly, the honey that we had taken, this is also miscible in water. Now let's come to dropper. Stop. So what I have in my hand is an oil, right? See, are you finding droplets of water, oil on the surface of water? Oil is not ready to mix with water. Now the second type of oil that I have taken is mustard oil. You can do with as many liquids as you like. जैसे भी आपको liquids आपको लग रहा है कि इसको आपको miscibility देखनी है, skin, water or not, you can see. See, oil has formed a separate layer. Okay, it is not ready to mix with water. आप देख रहे हैं, where you are finding oil, you are finding oil at the top of the water. Okay, what it shows that water is more dense than oil. Now again, if you will see, I stir the solution mixture, and again you are seeing that now you will see small oil droplets, they are coming together, and again a separate layer has been formed, right? Similarly, we can test with another liquid also, another oil also. Okay, I hope it's clear now. This shows miscibility. I think the concept of miscibility and immiscibility is clear to you, right? Let's come to the fourth property, which is floating and sinking. So the fourth property is floating or sinking, which I am going to show you. Float means तैरना, sink means डूब जाना. Okay, so float, if I want to show you that how you can differentiate what is floating or sinking, कैसे आप make out करेंगे. I have taken few. This is a ring that I have taken. Okay, it has gone down, right? Similarly, the key ring. Okay, now can you tell me, what about pencil? Pencil is going to sink or float? Let's check out. It shows that it is lighter, right? These pebbles, okay, they are going down. What it shows? This is the quilling, okay, which is done with the help of paper. It is floating. These are the pebbles which I have taken. They are going down. It means that they are sinking. It is a lock, small lock I have taken. I want to show you that floating or sinking does not depend upon size. ठीक है, ये it do not depend upon size. It depends upon what? It depends upon density. ठीक है, density, कितनी density है किस substance की. Like key, this is a small key, but ये sink हो गई. Now a big comb, but what it is made up of? It is made up of plastic, so it is floating. This is my miswak. It is again floating, isn't it? Earbud, it's floating. Okay, these balls I'm using, okay, they are made up of thermocol, and let's see whether they will float or sink. Every time you question, while watching video, you can question yourself and answer whether this thing is going to sink or float. और आप उसको pause करके देखिए and just check out. It's floating, है ना? The size you are seeing, it is a pearl, and I am going to check whether it will float or sink. See, it has gone down. Okay, so it shows that the substances which are denser, which are more dense, वो क्या होते हैं? They usually sink. और जो चीज़ें less dense होती हैं वो क्या होती हैं? They float. All right. Even oil also floats, क्योंकि oil की density water से कम है. That is why it floats. Now let's come to the last topic, transparency. So the last topic that is left is transparency, and very quickly I want to show you, explain you what is transparency, right? Transparency is a property through which you will be able to know that there are few objects. If you look at your surroundings, you will see that there are few objects through which you can clearly see through them, right? Like this bowl, okay, of water, where water is also colorless as well as transparent, right? And I am able to see through it. You must be able to see. Another is this book. You will not be able to know that what is there in the book, isn't it? You can see just the title, लेकिन आपको अंदर pages तो पता नहीं होंगे ना कि क्या है इसके अंदर. So that is how we can see that this book is an opaque object, okay? Because we are unable to see through them, see through them, okay? बेटे ये hand हटा लीजिए please. Okay, this is also an opaque object. This is translucent, through which we can see but partially. Okay, आप देख रहे हैं मेरा hand, कुछ आपको लगेगा कि कुछ है, लेकिन you will be unable to see clearly. So such type of objects are known as translucent objects. This is also translucent bottle right now, right? इसमें dust भी है थोड़ी बहुत अंदर, और आप देखेंगे तो आपको थोड़ी बहुत fingers मेरी शायद दिख जाएंगी across, जो मैं यहाँ use कर रही हूँ, है ना, through my movement, कि हाँ कुछ है पीछे, but very partially. So such type of objects are known as translucent objects. Okay, transparent objects की अपनी utility है, क्योंकि अगर आप देखिए, आप जैसे like a rattle that I am having, दिखा दो बेटा, एक मिनट को बस. देखिए इसमें आपको दिख रहे हैं इसमें बॉल्स नज़र आ रही है ना, तो व्हाट इट शोज कि ये अपर बॉडी तो इसकी कैसी है, ओपेक, बट अंदर की बॉडी, ये वाली प्लास्टिक बॉडी कैसी है, ट्रांसपेरेंट। ओके, अब बच्चों बहुत जल्दी, जैसे डस्टर के अक्रॉस आप नहीं देख सकते क्या है ना, मैंने कितनी फिंगर्स शो करी है, आपको शायद नहीं पता चल पाएगा। So we are going to show this, so that is how you can say that the duster is also an opaque object। और थोड़ा जल्दी से अच्छे से समझ लेते हैं और अभी मज़ा आने वाला है। हम लाइट मैं क्लोज करके आपको दिखाती हूँ। See, I am throwing a light with the help of a mobile, right? I am throwing a light across this bowl, okay? And you will easily see that you are seeing the path of light, isn't it? आपको दिख रहा है ना, यहाँ पे इतना पोर्शन इल्यूमिनेटेड हो गया, right? So what it shows that this bowl as well as water both are transparent. They allow light to pass through them. That is why they are transparent. अब एक हम ये वाला देख लेते हैं। अब आप इसको देखिए, क्या ये बहुत अच्छे से लाइट का पाथ आपको दिख रहा है? कुछ इसकी उतना अच्छे से जैसे अभी मैंने शो किया था, आप कंपेयर कर सकते हैं। यहाँ आपको दिख रहा था पाथ, साफ दिख रहा है कि लाइट इज एबल टू पास थ्रू इट। ओके, इसमें नॉट सो क्लियर, यू विल सी अ फेंट लाइट। तो इट मीन, व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट शोज दैट दिस बॉटल इज ट्रांसलूसेंट, राइट? नाउ अनदर बॉटल आई एम यूजिंग, complete darkness, no path of light is visible. What it shows? It shows that this bottle is an opaque object. Similarly, again I'll use this book, complete darkness, so it is an opaque object. Across duster, no light, light is unable to pass through it, so it is also an opaque object. We can use this also. आप देख रहे हैं थोड़ी सी फेंट लाइट पास हो रही है। इट शोज दैट व्हाट, इट इज ट्रांसलूसेंट। दिस कार्ड होल्डर इज ट्रांसलूसेंट एंड दिस वाटर इज completely transparent. So this is all about transparency. I hope आप सबको समझ में आया होगा। ओके, तो चिल्ड्रन, ट्रांसपेरेंसी की यूटिलिटी हमें पता चल गई कि ट्रांसपेरेंसी आप देखते होंगे शॉपकीपर्स के पास, आप देखेंगे अगर आप वहाँ पे ग्रॉसरी स्टोर्स में जाएंगे, है ना, या फिर आप ट्रॉफीज़ आपको कुछ दे दी हैं, कुछ करनी है, तो आपको क्या उसमें वो आपको ट्रांसपेरेंट जार्स में दिखती हैं, इज़न्ट इट? उससे बच्चे अट्रैक्ट होते हैं और वो फिर समझ पाते हैं हम इजीली कि इसमें क्या है। अब जैसे यही है इसका अपर बॉडी, ये मेरे पास जो टैल्क लगाने के लिए ये है, ये आप देखेंगे अपर बॉडी कैसी है इसकी, ट्रांसपेरेंट है, और नीचे कैसा है, ये ओपेक है ना। तो ओपेकनेस की एक अपनी यूटिलिटी है, ट्रांसपेरेंसी से हमें पता चलता है व्हाट इज़ देयर इन दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग। और लेकिन अगर आप हाइड एंड सीक खेलते होंगे तो आपके उसमें किसी ग्लास के पीछे जाके छुपते हैं? नहीं ना, आप वुडन डोर के पीछे छुपेंगे ना। क्यों? क्योंकि वो आप जानते हैं बहुत अच्छे से कि वुडन डोर will not allow the light to pass through it, और उसकी वजह से आप किसी को दिख नहीं पाएंगे। तो समझ में आ गया आपको ट्रांसपेरेंसी की क्या यूटिलिटी है? So in this way I am finishing the chapter, right? I hope all of you understood very well. Thank you.